Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to Chef Recipes. Welcome to another healthy recipe. Today we are going to be making this coconut rice with meatball, and you will love this recipe because we did it with coconut milk, not the coconut char flour, no. So I hope you stay tuned to the end of this video. So let's dive in and start this video. First of all, we are going to parboil our rice because I'm using a parboiled rice, not the normal rice I used to use, the Italian rice. We are going to boil some water and measure out 400 grams of our parboiled rice. This rice is easy to cook. It's not like the Italian ones that I used to cook that take longer and takes time to stir, and if you don't stir it will keep burning, you know. That is Italian style rice. But they have this kind of rice, but it's not like ours. It's not like this parboiled rice. So we are going to wash in this rice into the boiling water just to parboil it a bit before we now do our prepare our coconut rice. So enjoy the video as we go on cooking. So right now we are going to sieve off the water, the liquid in it, and you can see it didn't cook that much because that is not how we want to do it. We need to just parboil it a bit, then when it's cooking it will be soaking with the coconut milk that we are going to use in preparing. So let's dive in and start first of all preparing our onion. We are going to use half of our onion, not the whole onion, no, half bulb of the onion, and slice it. You can slice to your choice, it's up to you. So now I'm slicing it this way, and I just want it like this. The next thing we are going to do is just after slicing we start putting our oil and start doing our necessary cooking. We go to the next step, so stay tuned. So now right now we are going to be adding half spoon of our cooking oil, olive oil, and our chopped onion, and call it slice, a chopped onion, and stir. We are going to stir and let the onion cook a bit because sometimes we do overcook or we don't even cook it at all, but it's good to cook it a bit before we now add in our coconut milk. In this coconut milk is 400 ml of coconut milk. It's just the milk, not the flour. So we are going to be adding other ingredients like our ginger. Already the quantity is on the screen, so you can be seeing it as I wrote it. So we are going to be adding this ingredient, and you know, after adding it we'll just let it cook, stir, and let it cook before the next step. So keep enjoying the video. So right away we are going to add in our pinch of salt. You can add, and when you add you test it to know if it's okay or it needs more. So before I continue, I would like to use this opportunity to say, if you are seeing this video for the first time, or you are coming to this channel for the first time, you are welcome to this channel. Consider subscribing if you like to see videos like this. In that way, when you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That's the essence of clicking the bell. So right now, let's go back to the video. You can see I'm adding the meatball. This is the chicken meatball that I bought from the supermarket. We are going to add it and let it cook also before we add in our rice. So we are going to leave it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So, and that's it. Now we are going to stir, and after that we add in our rice. So stay tuned. So now it's time to add in our parboiled rice, and after adding this rice, we are going to stir and then let it cook. Cover it and let it cook. This time everything has gone into the pot, right? Yes. So I'm eager, you know. It's not like I love rice, but not eating it all the time because I like mixing up things, you understand. But sometimes this period I just chose to, you know, make rice recipes because it's not like I don't do it in my videos, in my channels, but I decided to make it as a series, and that's why it seems like I'm making rice. No, I'm making it as a series. How you can make different kinds of rice. That's the essence why you see it. You can see this video where I made spinach rice, you understand. So you can make your rice in different way and because all the rice does not have the same taste. So you can see our rice is now ready, like it has cooked. Man, what are you waiting for? When you taste this rice, you know the difference between spinach rice and coconut rice. So all those things have their own taste, and you know, you will love it. I encourage you to prepare this recipe. Honestly, I encourage you to prepare it. So we are heading over to the longer awaited moment, the testing period. Hi, my blood is always hot when it comes to this level, like this stage. I love it so much. So let me know what you think about this video in the comments section, and I will also love it if you tell me what you would like me to prepare in our next video. Thanks for staying tuned. Bye.